Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a UPS that is very special, guys. We will do unboxing and complete review of this UPS. And what makes this UPS so special is that its power output. So this is 1500 VA UPS from APC. And if I talk about its name, then name is pretty complicated, guys, and I would say it is quite technical. The name of this UPS is BR1500G-IN. So the 1500 represent the VA and IN represent that this is for maybe Indian subcontinent or Indian market. The reason why I bought this particular one is because I have a power supply of 850 watt and the output of this one is 865 watt. And remember guys, this is very important component whenever you are building a new PC, because sometimes we often don't care about the UPS output, and that may result that you may face issue with your SMPS or power supply, or even let's say you bought a UPS that have only let's say power output of 300 watt. It may damage your system. We will talk more about it, but before we dive in, remember to smash that subscribe button so that you never miss video from us. We keep on making these kind of productivity video where we share our knowledge and expertise on computer and computer related peripheral. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so I bought it from Amazon. As you can see the Amazon sticker there. And not to worry guys, if you also have a power supply of around 800 watt or 750 watt or 700 watt, then you may consider buying this kind of UPS, and I will also provide you the link of Amazon in the description of this one. So let me quickly unbox it and let's see what actually comes inside. So this is how main packaging look, and here you can see 1500 VA written here and 865 watt written here, and it also comes with 2 years of warranty, and it have got 6 outlet and AVR technology, which is nothing but voltage regulation technology. So now let me further take it out. Okay, so this is how this UPS look like, and if we see here, so this one is a power button, so we can turn it on like this. So if you see here, we can see how much is the backup time left, and if I press this button, it shows us some other values. Let me keep on pressing it. It shows the output voltage, which is as of now is 218 volt. If I press it again, so right now I am not seeing any kind of output that I am utilizing it for. Then let me press once more. So now it is showing the wattage and the percentage. It also shows AC current frequency, which is 50 Hertz or 50 cycle per second, and so on. It also have a button which turn off any kind of alarm. So we can turn off alarm as well, and now let me turn it off. Now let me show you the back side of it. So the back side of it looks like this. So it comes with 6 output ports and a circuit breaker which can be used to reset this UPS. It also comes with external battery connection, which I would say is great, because in case of UPS the battery time is not that high. Although this one should have a decent amount of backup, but generally UPS is used to save your peripherals, not to provide backup for let's say 1 hour or 2 hour of prolonged use. The main intention of using UPS is just to save your expensive gear during voltage fluctuation or when the power is exhausted. So this is the main role of UPS, and while purchasing any UPS guys, you should keep one thing in mind, that how much is your power requirement, or how much wattage of power supply you are using. Always buy UPS that exceed your power supply requirement. For example, in my case, as I told before, my power supply requirement is 850 watts. So that's why I went with this 865 watt UPS, which have 15 watt of surplus power output. Let's say if my power supply unit is only of 500 watt or 550 watt, then in that case I could have chosen its smaller brother, which comes with 1100 VA of power output. And I already own that, and if you want to see review of that UPS as well, then I will also going to make another video on it. So that's all guys from my side on this quick unboxing and initial impression of this UPS. And I will always recommend you guys to get the UPS of correct specification if in your area there is lot of voltage or power fluctuation, until you are living in a city like Delhi where there is no power cutoff. But unfortunately we are not living there, so we are seeing a lot of power voltage fluctuation. So in my scenario I need to have it, and you should also have it even though you are using inverter, because in case of inverter also there is a kind of delay. But these UPS, they are only meant to protect your computers, nothing else. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.